Problem 22 can be a little confusing at first. But basically, there's some skates, and there's some bikes. The skates are $15 a day, and the bike is $20 a day. They want you to write two equations, which makes a lot of sense since this is a lesson on systems of equations. The first equation is about the number of things rented. The second equation is about the amount of money earned. I don't want to give too much away, but let me show you how to figure these things out for a different number than what they're looking for. If he had rented out 2 pairs of skates and 5 bikes, he would have rented out 7 things. How much money would he have earned? He would have earned $30 in skates and $100 in bikes. This would be $130 total. The number of things equation would be 2 plus 5 equals 7. And the amount of money equation would be 2 times 15 plus 5 times 20 equals 130. If I didn't know the number of skates, I could use a variable. S would make a lot of sense, S for skates, but I'm going to use X. If we didn't know the number of bikes, we could cross out the number and use a variable like B. I'm actually going to use Y. So the equation for how many things he rented out becomes X plus Y equals 7, where X is the number of skates and Y is the number of bikes. The amount of money equation becomes 15 times X plus 20 times Y equals 130, where X is the number of bikes and Y, or X is the number of skates and Y is the number of bikes. Let's clean that up. This would be our system of equations. X plus Y equals 7 and 15x plus 20y equals 130. The top one makes sense as the total skates plus the total bikes equals the total he rented. The bottom makes sense as $15 for every bike plus $15 for every pair of skates and $20 for every bike equals the $130 he made. I realize a little bit too late that this is giving too much away, but good luck on the problem. Oh, and if you want to solve the system of equations, you'll probably have to graph it and see where they cross.